Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. We're taking a look at Nexo.io, a platform designed for managing and growing your digital assets. Nexo offers a suite of services, making it a potential one-stop shop for crypto enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details. From earning interest on your crypto holdings to borrowing against them, Nexo aims to provide a comprehensive experience. You can deposit a variety of cryptocurrencies and stablecoins, and Nexo boasts competitive interest rates, potentially allowing your digital assets to generate passive income. The platform also offers a loan service, enabling you to borrow against your crypto without selling it. This can be particularly useful for accessing liquidity while maintaining your long-term investment strategy. Nexo also provides a card linked to your account, offering spending flexibility directly from your crypto balance. This functions like a debit card, drawing from your crypto holdings for purchases. Furthermore, Nexo offers an exchange functionality, enabling you to swap between different cryptocurrencies within the platform. This can streamline your portfolio management, potentially saving you time and transaction fees compared to using external exchanges. The security of your assets is paramount, and Nexo emphasizes its commitment to robust security measures. They employ various strategies to protect user funds, including two-factor authentication and custodial insurance. While Nexo offers a compelling range of services, it's important to do your own research and understand the associated risks before committing any funds. Consider your individual investment goals and risk tolerance. The platform's user interface is generally considered user-friendly, designed for both novice and experienced crypto users. Navigating the various features and services is relatively straightforward, which is a definite plus for those new to the crypto space. Overall, Nexo presents a convenient and potentially rewarding platform for managing and growing your digital wealth. However, remember that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and no investment is without risk. Be sure to thoroughly investigate the platform, understand the terms and conditions, and invest responsibly.